Well, good system design will take you further than a more powerful model. My name's James. Originally, I'm from Scotland. I'm an AI engineer at BMO. So the main issues with these systems is, which was a food ordering system in Japanese, that you can have what's called the propagation of errors. Because you have this pipeline, and you'll have maybe small errors that are introduced when the ear has misunderstood something, and then this will propagate down the pipeline. And this is probably the main challenge that's faced when we are dealing with these kind of systems. So there's 3 neural networks. There's a ASR, an LLM, and a TTS. So ASR is for automatic speech recognition, and this will take raw audio signals and turn them into text information. The LLM will process this information. Imagine you've got a circuit design and there's charges passing through the circuit. But with the LLM workflows, we have text information being passed through the circuit. The information will be classified, and then the LLM will take action. So the TTS is text-to-speech, and this will take text information and then turn it into a naturally sounding audio sample. The project that we were talking about, we had 3 distinct phases. In the first phase, it was just a proof of concept. We need to show that it was feasible to build these systems. The second phase of the project was functional decomposition, which is just tidying up the logic of the code and making it more manageable for the language models to process. When we cleaned up the workflow, we noticed there was reduction in error propagation through the pipeline, and the system became more stable and more predictable. And from phase 2 to phase 3, we had a cancellation function introduced. Because people can change their mind, we had to make room for that in the system. So first, the customer will talk into a microphone, and this will create an audio sample. The audio sample will be sent to the ASR, and the ASR will turn the audio sample into text. Customer would say, maybe I want 1 burger, 1 fries, 1 cola. This audio sample will be turned into text and then sent to an extractor. The text is processed by 3 different components: an extractor, called an answer generator, and so a classifier. This is sent to the TTS. This will take text information and turn it into a sample that will be played through a speaker. And then for the cancellation function, the customer could say, I don't want the fries. The extractor would remove 1 item from the order. The main role of AI is to reduce costs and improve efficiencies, but it's really important to have a natural user experience. Otherwise, that you've automated a bad experience, and that's kind of really what we're trying to avoid. We don't want to have delays, because we want to give the illusion of a freely flowing conversation as you would have with another human being. It turned out that it was much more reliable when we fixed the structure than if we were to throw a much more powerful cloud-based model at the problem. Well, good system design will take you further than a more powerful model.